Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to get someone's IP on Discord 2023. Are you looking for a way how to find someone's IP on Discord? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we are now in Discord, and what you want to do is click on the cogwheel here, user settings, and then scroll down a bit until you see advanced. As you can see here, advanced. You're going to see developer mode. This is by default off. So turn that on as like what this is. It's on for me. And then just click on anybody's, like any person that you are friends with. So right click and then click copy user ID. And as you can see here, you get the user ID. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.